it's your girl Casey Artist, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a sneaker, the New Balances. Let me tell you, y'all about to get some videos, some content of an unboxing of sneakers, because I'm trying to step my sneaker game up. Okay, I'm from New York City, and if you know anything about New York City, and a Bronx girl like that, a Brooklyn girl like that, a Manhattan girl like that, us black women and Hispanic women and all that stuff, we love sneakers. Like, I'm telling you, you go to New York City right now, in any hood, you go see a girl in some sneakers. So I used to be that, and once I moved out of New York, you know, it was just like, if I had a sneaker on, it was very classic, basic. It was probably like Converse's or Adidas, but I'm trying to step it up. Okay, so I think y'all should hit this hit this follow button and be a part of the family. Y'all about to get, this is probably one of 5 videos. Y'all about to get crazy content, and I didn't want to do everything all in one video because I'm trying to keep it cute, short, and sweet. So like I was saying, I'm doing an unboxing of the New Balances. I think this is the 574. I think it's Core. Y'all forgive me. This is like a semi unboxing, because let me tell you something. This is how you know I have a shopping problem. I bought these sneakers back in, I want to say April. I've never worn them. It's just been sitting up, stacked up with all the sneakers that I bought since literally like last year. Okay, so I haven't worn them at all. So y'all gonna get, I did check and see if it was correct. But I didn't, like, it was just real quick, you know, so I haven't tried it on. I don't even know if it, no, I know it fits, because I went inside the store of New Balances and I was looking for it in particular color with the 574s. I was looking for it in particular color. They didn't have it, but my feet is so weird, guys. Like, I'm a standard 8 in women, okay? Now, when I wear heels, I get an 8 or 8.5. When I wear sneakers, depending on the sneakers, like my Converses are 7s, my Adidas are 7s. But lately, like I think I have a video up on my channel with the, what is it called? The feline disruptors too. Those were really small on me, and you have to really size up for that. Well, I guess in essence, they're pretty much like my size, because like I said, I'm an 8. So if for me, I feel like being an 8 with the feline disruptors, you have to go a half size up. I was just basing on like sneakers in the past of what I was, so it just was not working. So when I went inside the New Balance store and I tried them on, your girl was an 8.5. So I was just like, okay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but like I said, with the New Balance, the 574s, you do have to, I feel like, size up half a size if you are typically an 8. But my suggestion is also go inside the store and try them on, so you can confirm, you know. So I can not even confirm or deny 100% if that's gonna be working for y'all. But anyways, so because this is a semi unboxing and I opened it, you know, it's not gonna be like, ooh, initial reaction, but y'all will get initial reaction of up close, and just also me trying them on, because on my feet, because you never know, maybe in the store that day, I don't know. But it comes in, when you get it in the package, it's gonna be a brown box. I feel like most sneakers are brown box, and the inside is gonna be this. So it's just been sitting, y'all, and here is the sizing. Okay, paper wrap. Okay, so the paper is just, it has like, I don't know if y'all can see it too tough. So it has New Balance paper wrap, if y'all want to see that. I don't know. But okay, so I got the navy color. The original color that I wanted was either like the gray or the cream color, but I decided to get the navy, and I think this is like eco-friendly. So the 574s, look, still got the tissue paper, it's still tied up. Did not try this on. But yeah, y'all, these are cute. Let me let y'all see this. These are freaking cute. I feel like it's definitely a summer shoe, but summer is coming to an end. But I feel like with the color navy, it can be a winter, a fall, and a winter shoe as well. I feel like this is all seasons, all year round. But these are cute. The back. Ooh, why haven't I worn them yet? I don't know. I have no excuses, y'all. But the inside, I believe you can pick and see if you want narrow, if you want the standard, or if you want wide. My foot is standard. I don't have narrow. I don't have wide feet. But let me try these on. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna try them on. But I don't know why I smell things. But these are cute. These are real cute. Ooh. All right, we'll try them on. It says, do not machine wash or dry clean outside with cool water and mild detergent. Remove insert. Okay, so that's how the cleaning instructions for this. Don't machine wash these shoes, y'all. Okay. So funny. So the 8. Okay, so now I remember what was going on when I tried these shoes in the store. Because like I said, I got these back in March. So I tried on the 8, and when I tried on the 8, it was still kind of like close to my feet a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, to the point where I'm like, I don't want to be uncomfortable. I want to make sure I walk in these all day long. The lady actually in the store told me that I was a size 9. She's tripping, and I need to get a second opinion, because when I put on that 9, when I'm telling you the shoe was so big on my feet, it was slipping and sliding. I'm like, are people really like walking around like this? I'm like, nah, this can't be. So when I got the 8, and even though the 8 was a little bit, you know, like I felt like I felt my toe in the front. So I was like, let me get an 8.5. And they're not tight at all. I have room. I could wiggle my toe in the front. I don't know, but it still feels kind of loose, in my opinion. But I'd rather an 8.5 than y'all. Okay. So these are not tied. It's not tied. Like, you know, tighten or anything. I typically don't really like to tie my shoes, so that's why I'm like, but I have no socks on, so when I wear socks, I feel like maybe it'll be a little bit tighter. Let me get some socks. Hold on. Y'all, I got some bright socks. Y'all forgive me. I just want to put some socks. Typically, I have like the Nike socks. It's a little bit more thicker, but I didn't feel like looking too tough for my socks. Okay, with socks, it's a little, I have, you know, it's tightened it a little bit, you know, but they're super comfy. They're super comfy, and I can't wait to actually wear them and style them. I definitely going to still get the gray ones, like the multi-gray color ones. So I'm gonna rate this shoe out of the scale of 1 to 10. Initial reaction, I'm gonna rate the New Balance 574 Core, I think it is, I'm gonna rate this an 8. And the reason why I'm saying an 8 is because my sizing, it's just very weird with the sizing, and I'm saying an 8 because I haven't worn them out all day and see how it really is. So I'm gonna give this an 8. The price of this shoe is, I believe, $85. Like $84.99. So, you know, tax on your tax. If your state charges tax, whatever, you know, it's gonna be a little bit more. But so I feel like New Balances are coming back. You know, they never really left. People sleep on, especially in the urban community, I feel like people sleep on New Balances, but I'm seeing a trend of like the urban community, the streetwear, they're rocking, the girls, the fellas, they bringing it back. Look at the stitching, y'all. Y'all need to get, for y'all to be $85, New Balance, get it together. This, like, you see this little tiny stitching, you can cut that, but come on, get it together. But these are really, really cute. They are giving, so I think y'all should get them. Let me know if y'all have these in the comments, and what the color you have, and do you like them? Do you think my 8, did I say 8 or 8.5? I can't remember. Do you think my score is too high? Do you think these are trash? You know, I really feel like they're definitely coming back. The girls, if you go on Insta, you see the girls styling, they're styling the New Balances, okay? So it's definitely real trendy and still trendy. And New Balances never go. It's like old. It's rich daddy vibes. You know what I'm saying? Rich daddy vibes, comfortable vibes. You know, because you got your rich, your billionaires, the white ones, the white billionaires. Come on, talk about it. They rocking the New Balances. They know what's up. They know what's up. So get y'all up here. But anyways, if you made it to the end of this review, you might as well subscribe and be a part of the tribe, be a part of the family, okay? And until next time, peace out.